Hey everybody, it is Nerdy Puppy and Majestic Panda. And so this is the tour of the island, guys. This is the where you put your tools when you're done with them, so we can like just take them instead of doing /get tools. This is our YouTube fans.
So these are the people that are
We only have 2 YouTube fans.
Who's Aiden Matthews?
A subscriber.
Oh.
Okay, so
and so Mia,
our
Tessa,
tree,
and
Nicolette. Our tree doesn't have leaves. Okay, follow me. So, there's these trees, and then there's a big dropper.
Yeah, is it a mob dropper?
No. Well, yeah, it could be if someone, like, yeah, that's a great idea. Like, we could ask someone to spawn mob, and then they just fall, like, whoa.
Yeah.
Okay. And then there's,
we have this bobble thingy that I don't know what that is. And then we have this beautiful water fountain
that I built. And then we have our shop, which we'll show you in a second. Up here is our surprise birthday party upper thingy-mabobber here.
I already had my birthday, which was, well, my birthday.
Oh my gosh, Nicolette, you left a present in here.
Right there?
Look.
Yeah, but my birthday is tomorrow, and
And I'm getting very ready to give her the best present in the world.
Yeah. We're sisters, so we're, like, in the same house, but, like, I'm in the basement and she's upstairs in our room, so yeah.
Yeah. We like to do it that way.
Yeah, so that we're not, like, looking at each other's screen the whole time.
So, let's go to the shop. This is mushrooms, because we love mushrooms. So, if you go to /warp friend _shop 101. Oh, images, and
You go to Warp Friend Shop 101.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is our shop. And
so this
is new, and it's awesome.
Upstairs is awesome.
Oh, you added that? That's awesome, yeah.
Thank
you.
We
have this, and we have more shops up here.
This one's your shop right here.
Yeah, we're basically like, if you know the show Zack and Cody, we're not copying them, but we just got this idea from them. It's not exactly the same, but it's like kind of.
Yeah.
Like,
so through here is the area here, and there's a lot of things. There's a cancel, and then Warp Mia games.
Yep.
Which we're gonna change soon. Has that in it. And then home.
Yeah.
So that's it. We're gonna go to PvP because that's what we always do. But this armor is very special. But this armor is very special, so we have to take it off.
I don't have it.
Well, yes you do. I gave you 24 pieces.
Oh yeah, it's in my chest. Should I use that for PvP? Because I'm gonna die already. I'll use it the second time I go to PvP. And,
I'm gonna use different, like, yeah, you can use it to go to PvP. But I'm gonna make different. I'm gonna go to PvP.
No, I'm still trying to, like, figure out if I want the skin or not.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure she's gonna keep it.
Yeah, me too. But I think the purple just, like, doesn't match at all, and, like, that blue doesn't match at all. So
I think all the blue matches fine. Maybe. I haven't quite looked at it that well, but... Why did you all of a sudden pause?
Pause what?
You, like, stopped talking. But, anyway, I look pretty clancy.
And this is your food chest. But, we both have slash food, but Tessa loves Raph because we know her in real life. She does not have slash feed, so we, like, get food for her.
And neither does,
yeah, Bella ever do. Yeah. So, this is, like, we get food for them and we put it in here for them because they're always like, I'm starving! So this is basically Tessa and Bella ever do.
Yeah.
Oh! I got white eyes.
Okay, I'm gonna bring some food. Because in PvP, you're not allowed to do /food.
Yeah, but sometimes.
I'm like grabbing 43 sticks for PvP. Let's do, and I didn't bring a sword.
Okay, cool. Okay. And this I got from Mia, and it's the best present I could ever have on Minecraft. And it's this awesome diamond sword. It has smite 5, breaking 3, sharpness 5. So I'm not good with like these number things, but it's smite. I believe that V is smite 5, and then a breaking 3, sharpness 5, that's 2, then a rifle 5, and looting 30. So yeah, that's awesome. And then I just have a diamond pickaxe from the starter kit.
Well, I gave her the best one.
What?
Never mind. Ooh, I don't know.
Yeah, I said you gave me the best present.
Take.
Okay, so let's get more PvP now, and sorry guys, I'm like, don't even know what I'm doing right now. So I'm just like, ugh. That's not how slow I type, guys. This is how I type. Yeah. But, because I was like spinning around in my.
Nicolette, I have enchanted stuff in PvP. Get here right now and protect me. Everyone's after me. Come on, I have enchanted things. And like.
Is everyone? I'm killing the guy. I'm trying to kill the guy.
I'm dead!
I'm dead. Okay, so that was
We have to get that stuff.
I think I know who has it. I think that...
I'm watching people collect it.
Jonah, I think
This guy.
That guy! Get him!
This one. He's wearing my armor.
I think the blue guy has it too.
No, it's this one.
I know, but he only has pants and stuff.
Yeah, but he has stuff in his inventory. That's why he's running.
No, but the blue guy has it too. I saw him. Okay, I got a shovel. I can kill him with a shovel. Never mind. Look, I can kill him with a shovel. Okay, I'm coming. Woo! Stop killing people. Oh my gosh. Okay, so as you can tell, we are very noobs at PvP. Well, not noobs, but we're not the best. Because sometimes I surrender. Like if you look at Nerdy Puppy's channel, episode 1, I surrendered. So yeah. This is my first episode though. This is the second. Why are you so quiet?
Because I died with my diamond sword.
Cause what?
Because I'm using a diamond sword and I'm not as loud as you.
Yes! I got your diamond sword!
Yes!
I got your diamond sword and I'm trying to kill people with it! Okay,
You killed me!
Help me! Oh, I died! And I had your diamond sword! I really did.
I know, I watched you hold it. My pants, my leggings, my boots.
That guy has it! That guy! Right there! On the igloo! He's gonna kill everyone! Yeah, well.
Kit tools. Warp PvP.
Okay. The guy in the igloo has the diamond sword. I see.
That's Bella Everdeen.
It is?
This girl killed me.
Hi, Bella Everdeen. You killed her.
I did?
No, someone killed.
Someone left PvP with it. It's a prize item.
She's like, Nick. I'm gonna be like, Belle.
Nicolette, I got out with a bucket of milk in my pants. Oh my god.
Guess what? Me and Bella every day are just like, Nick, Bell, Nick, Bell, Nick, Bell, in capital letters. Bell, Nick, Bell, Nick, Bell, Bell. What are we doing? LOL. You said LOL. Nick, Bell. Okay, I'm really tired of this. Nick, Bell, LOL. Karen. Nick, Bell, LOL. Nick and a bell and a LOL. Nick and a bell and a LOL. I'm in your island. Yes? Where is she? Bella. You're so quiet.
Because I'm awesome.
Oh yeah, she joined it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Look, you have a lump as a rump.
Where are you, Peasy?
I make the funniest jokes. You've got a lump as a lump.
Wait, am I even recording?
Yeah, you are, girl. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I was already... Wait, do that go?
1 second, dudes.
Version of it?
Bye, everyone. It's the end of the video. I know this is a little early, but I'm amazing.